So it is actually meant for, where is the abdominal wall? So this is meant for a thing that when the suture is inside, okay? I think we don't have the suture, right? Okay. That is formalin, formalin ఉంటుంది లోపల. There are formalin balls which are going to be kept here. These are all the formalin balls. So these are the formalin balls. I am taking out some sutures, that's what. Okay. So the suture passer has got the importance that when it is a thread, so the thread is going to be dropped inside and you put from one level. Okay. కనపడుతుందా? కనపడుతుందా? You open and grasp the suture and take it out. Okay, it came out. Now again you put it inside. Can you see? Can you able to see that? Again open it, take the suture and take it out. Okay. Now you make a knot. So this suture passer is commonly used in laparoscopic incisional hernias cases. What is incisional hernia? After surgery, the sutures are loose, the abdominal contents will come out like a balloon. You might have seen so many ladies with a very big bulge of abdomen and it's like a balloon. So there is a defect. Okay, this defect is going to be closed. If this is a defect, this defect is going to be closed with a suture passer. Go there, grasp the suture, go there, grasp the suture, take it out and close it down. Okay, this is the suture passer. This I don't want to confuse, that is mini laparoscopy or micro laparoscopy. What is the name of this instrument? I said already. Exam lo cheppకపోతే పాస్ చేయడం కష్టం. Try to remember it. Okay. Maryland doll. The name of the instrument is
curves unte Maryland.
The tip of the instrument. You have to describe whether it is locked or unlocked. Okay. But this is another design. What I have shown was a different design. This design is different and it is commonly used and very easy. It has got a screw. Remove the screw, then it will become no control. When you put the screw, it has got full control. Okay. And if you remove the screw and open it, you can able to see there is a socket there. There is a socket and the instrument has got a ball. It's like a round ball. You are able to see here. So this ball and socket is going to fix. And when you put the screw, it is going to act like a fulcrum and it is going to work with the tip. Okay. When you remove it, when you open it, so this is the sheet, the steel rod which is going to be useful for the electricity diaphragm which is going to act here. Okay. And this is a sheet which is called as which has got the insulation with either, this is silicone, that was the plastic. The silicone coating is different from the plastic. Okay. If you have any doubts, please ask me so that I can repeat, otherwise you may be getting confused. Huh? Okay. So this is all. So what is the name of this instrument? this is the PCOD puncturing instrument. PCOD or a cyst puncture. If any cyst is there, it is going to be punctured with this instrument. Okay. PCOD. What is PCOD? Polycystic ovarian disorder or disease, where the ovaries are having filled up with grapes like cysts. So this is going to puncture it. It has got a connection with the electricity, and you can able to see that it is very sharp. It is very sharp. When you push only it comes. When you leave it, it is going to be drawn with the spring action. Okay, this is connected with the electricity, and when you put it directly over the cyst and pass the electricity, the cyst is going to be punctured. Okay, this is called as a cyst puncture or the PCOD puncturing instrument. And another instrument, both are graspers only. This is blunt, this is fine. It has got the fenestra there. This is blunt. This is for the firm grip. This is for the bowel. Okay. Almost you can see the transverse serrations here. Same thing, it has got the lock. The lock has got different gradations: small pressure, medium pressure, and high pressure. Okay. This is the lock. Sorry. Try to remember this as the bipolar instrument, hand instrument, bipolar hand instrument. I already said what is monopolar and bipolar last class. What is bipolar? First time what is bipolar or what is monopolar?
They have both
bipolar has got the two electrodes in the same instrument. Monopolar has got one instrument differently, another receiving is into the pad. Okay. So this is called as active electrode. That pad what we are going to keep over the body is called as inactive electrode. So the current passes from active electrode to inactive electrode to goes back to the machine in case of monopolar. This is a bipolar. The both electrodes are here, active and inactive. So when the electricity passes from active, it goes to the tissue, it will burn the tissue and come back again to the generator. So this is called as a bipolar hand instrument. Okay? Laparoscopic bipolar hand instrument. These two are same. ఏంటమ్మా కళ్ళు తిరుగుతున్నాయి. I think you can take it. No, it is because of the instruments or the smell. Then better you close it for some time. Okay. Close it. Yeah, these two are same. Okay, so this is called as L hook. It is mainly used for the monopolar energy. Okay, this is going to be connected to the generator, and it has got the switch. So if you open the switch, the electricity is going to pass to the tip. So it is shaped like L. Okay, so this is called as L hook. The same instrument, this is called as spatula.
Spatula.
It is just like a spatula. So these two things are used whenever you are doing for the laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Removal of gallbladder from the liver. Okay. When there is a bleeding, you will use the spatula to stop the bleeding. When you are separating the gallbladder, you use the L. Details I don't want to say because they are all extensive and you are not able to remember them. I don't want to confuse you. Okay. Now this is the needle holder. Laparoscopic needle holder. Okay, it is called a laparoscopic needle holder. It is very blunt, totally made up of steel. It has got the grip, which is the serrations. It has got a lock. When you release the lock, the jaws are going to open. Okay, the jaws are going to open here. The jaws have got very thick serrations here. You can able to the serrations, transfer serrations. So this is going to hold the needle. So this is the needle holder. When you press it, automatically it locks. When you press here, automatically it releases. Needle. Okay, needle holder. This instrument is called as, any problem? Anybody? Oh my god. This is a bathroom. See, it happens to every batch. One of the person will be very sensitive and anyway, I will finish off very fast. This is the clip applicator.
Flip.
So whenever you do the surgery in laparoscopy, okay. So whenever you do for the laparoscopic cholecystectomy, you take the clip here and you pass the clip inside over the duct. You press it, the clip is going to be clipped to the duct. So this is a clip applicator. Okay. Charlie. I don't want to show you. Okay, in the examination, if you say all these things, that is sufficient. And this is the mini laparoscopy unit. This is the mini trocar. It is only 2 mm. And these are the instruments. See, the same instruments which are going to be used. No, I don't want to show this. Please. Okay. Thank you. Chalo. Please. I think Venkateshwar Rao is going to take open surgery classes, open surgery instruments. Okay? You ask him to take the same area, and if he wants some help, I will definitely come and open instruments.
25 MG. This is 30.